Hello everybody. I am sure you have practiced the concepts that we have taught you in the past videos. If you have not subscribed to our channel yet, please subscribe to Naxid now and press the bell button for immediate notification. Today in this video, we will learn coding and decoding topic. It's one of the reasoning topic and in many of the aptitude tests there will be a question from this topic. And first we will let us see what do you mean by coding and decoding. Coding is a process of encrypting a word, a number in particular code or the pattern. And for that pattern also there will be some set of rules. And decoding is a process to decrypt the pattern into its original form from the given codes. Okay, so as the sentence is clear here, we will find how the given word is coded, what pattern is followed. Okay, and then we will write a code following the same pattern for the given word. And next, we will see what are the different types of coding and decoding questions we get. There will be a questions on alphabet coding, numerical coding, and symbol based coding. And in some coding, the alphabet, symbols, and numbers are all there. Okay. And another type of coding we have is value coding, and the last one is substitution coding. In this video, we will solve all these different types of coding and decoding questions, and then you will have a clear concept knowledge for this topic. Okay. The first question: if girl is written as FJSK in certain code, here you can observe girl is written as FJSK in certain code. How boy would be written in the same code? And to find the code word for the boy, first we need to find how they have written a code for the word girl. Okay, so but in coding and decoding we need to follow some rules. That is, when we are writing a code for the given word, always we will write the coded word below the given word. Okay, so here FJSK is the code given for the word girl. I will write it below it, whatever the code it is. And now I will try to find relation how the word G, letter G is coded as F, how I is coded as J, R is coded as S, L is coded as K. If you observe closely, for the letter G, they have taken the previous letter of G in the alphabet, that is F. So here they are taking the one letter before G. And for I, they have taken the letter J. It means they are taking the next letter. For R, next letter is S, they are considering the same. And for L, they are taking K as the coded letter, and it means that they are taking the previous letter. And now you can see the code is clear, the pattern is clear here. For the first and the last letter, they are considering the previous letter, and whatever the letters there at the middle, no, in between, for those letters they are considering the next letter as the coded letter. Okay, following the same pattern for the word boy, I will take the previous letter of B for B and previous letter for Y also, and I will take the next letter for O. So here I should take the previous letters for B and Y. So what is the previous letter of B? That is A, correct? And what is the previous letter of Y? It's X. What is the next letter of O? It's P. Okay, so APX. APX is the code word for the word boy. That is option B. Okay, so in this way, first we will find a coded how they have written a code for the given word, and following the same pattern or the rules, we will write a code for the next word. Next, in a certain code, P is coded as hashtag, A as percentage, C is small letter F, E as @ symbol. How is P's the word peace is written in that code. So here no need to find a code for the each letter in the word peace. They have already given, but we will arrange it. Okay, so P is coded as hashtag, and E is coded as at the rate, A is coded as percentage, next C is coded as small letter F, and again last E, the last letter E is coded as at the rate. So in which option we have at the rate at the end? So option B, option D has, but which option has this pattern, this sequence, that is hashtag, at the rate, percentage, small f and at? Can we observe here? So here none of the option has, sorry, option D has hashtag, at the rate, percentage, F and at the rate. So option D is the right answer here. Okay, option D has the same sequence. Next question. In certain code, pick and choose is written as co-ho-po. So as I said, when you are writing the code, whatever the sentence or the word, below that we have to write a code. So pick and choose is coded as co-ho-po, and it need not to be coded as in the way it is the sentences. It means if pick is not coded as co, and is not coded as ho, and choose is not coded as po, it can be in any sequence they have written the code. Okay, pick can be ho, pick can be po also. It need not to be co only. Okay, and this sequence is the code sequence, and the word in the sentence sequence, both are not same. And next sentence is pick up and come. Pick up and come is coded as to, no, ko, po. Now the question is, how is pick written in that code? So what is the coded word for pick? I need to find it. And when they have given this sentence coding, no, you have to find it whether any of the word is repeated. You can observe here pick is repeated here, and is also repeated. When there is a repeated words, there will be a repeated code also. So you can observe pick and is the repeated word, are the repeated words, and co and po are the co and po are the repeated codes. But still I cannot find what is the exact code for pick. Correct? If only pick is repeated, then only one code will be repeated here in the two sentence. But here pick and are the repeated words here. That's why we will get two codes, and we can say that either co or po is the coded word for pick. We cannot say that co is the coded word or po is the coded word. If you are saying that co is the coded word for pick, then you are assuming that and is coded as po. Correct? So that is wrong. We should not do a assumption in this topic. Okay, only if it is given, then we have to consider it. Otherwise we should not assume it. So option C is the right answer here. Either co or po is the right answer. If they have not given option C, instead of option C, if they have given a word like ho, then you should take option D as your right answer. Cannot be determined. That will be your right answer. Okay. Next question. If in a code at is value of is 20, this is value coding. This is the value coding type question, and bat is coded as 40 and cat is coded as what? I should find it. If at is coded as 20 and bat is coded as 40, if I split it and write this code, I can write it as 2 20 is a 40, and 2, it's nothing but it's a place value of b. Similarly, what is the place value of C in alphabets? It's 3. So 3 into at value is 20. So which is equal to 60. So option C is the right answer. In the same way, if they ask it for mat, then the place value of m, that is 13, and the value of at, that is 20. So 13 into 20, so you will get 260. That will be our answer. When they're asking for mat, you should say it's 260. And here they are asking what is the value of cat. So now it is 60. Okay. Next question. This is cherry is apple, apple is grape, grapes is mango, mango is nuts, nuts is guava. So when you find these type of coding questions, no, it's nothing but it's a substitution coding. Okay, in the types of coding you have seen at the end, you have one substitution coding. This type of question belongs to that type. Okay, if cherry is apple, apple is grapes, grape is mango, mango is nuts, nuts is guava, which of the following is yellow fruit? So among the given fruits, you can see cherry, it's a red in color, apple is red in color, grapes green or black, mango orange or yellow, nuts brown, guava again it's green, correct? And they are asking which of the following is a yellow fruit. So mango is the only yellow fruit here among the given fruits, and mango is coded as nuts, so directly our answer is nuts here, not mango. Okay, so we are not just writing the answer, we are writing the answer which is coded. So our answer is mango, which is coded as nuts, so option D is the right answer here. Okay, so in this way we will answer the question from the topic coding and decoding. Always we will write either code, whatever the question for the given word, we will write a code for the given name, that is mango. Here we are finding for the code word. Okay, so in this way we will solve the question from this topic. Thank you for watching this video on Nexit. Please do like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos. You can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn for more updates on learning, projects, internships and placement opportunities. For similar and more practice test papers, subscribe to us on www.nexi.com.